How's it going, folks? Hope you're all keeping well. It's Bob here. I can carve half out of breath walking up this old mountain, but it's a nice day, so thought I'd take a wee stroll, make a wee video. Haven't been posting any carving videos for a while, just been a wee bit busy, family and stuff. But I'm about to start getting the carving back on the go here now. And we'll see what happens. Right. It's so steep this, you wouldn't believe it. I'll show you how high up I am. So I'll keep walking up. This is Carmoney Hill to North Belfast. It's one of my regular spots to come just for to have a wee walk. Plenty of walkers about and stuff. And you can see here's a wee old wall, and the wall's been there for years. Big stones and stuff. It's a nice place for a walk. There's other wee paths you can go down. And that's down a hill. That's all going down the way. I'm nearly about halfway there now at the minute. In fact, say if I go in here, I'll show you, because this old hill, it's all old quarries, limestone quarries, and this here is actually an old quarry in here. You can't see, but that back wall there is a limestone quarry. That's ground level. You can see lots of pine trees and stuff around this part. There's a couple of wee old trees have fallen down. Well, it's a nice wee spot. Plenty to carve up here. Need to bring a bag with me next time I can pick some stuff up. I want to take us up and show you the wee quarry up the top. This is very steep, this bit. It takes you up, there's a wee fountain there, a couple of redwood trees and stuff. You can see that's the old fountain. And then have the redwoods. There's a big redwood there. That's Belfast Lock way out there in the distance. You can see how steep we are. Big drops down. It's beautiful up here. It's just a wee waterfall. Or a fountain or a spring or whatever you call it. I wouldn't drink out of it, I can tell you that. And a wee bench. Used to be good views there a couple of years ago, but as you can see, nothing stops nature. So I'll take a wee stroll up around the corner. I'll show you there's a wee old quarry up here. I actually have a wee campfire made up here now. We'll come up here with the kids, me and the wife, and we'll just relax. And we're up even higher now. And you'll see this here is lovely. There's wee seats and stuff and all. That's a proper old limestone quarry. Yeah. But this is where we would come with the wife and the kids and stuff. And we'll have a wee campfire. And that's where we'll go. And just enjoy it. Have a wee seat on the wall. But it's a good spot. Go on up. There's another wee bit around the top here too. It's a beautiful place. Nice views and stuff. It's really good. I'll just go on up a wee bit here. We'll go down round. I'll take us along the wee middle path. I'll maybe find a bit with some view. You can see how steep it is. But it's a good place. I have another old wall there. Must be some age. And that's the way down. And that's the way up. So take a wee stroll along here. And here too, this here was all quarry. Limestone quarry. And this was at one stage the old main road that I'm walking on now. It's really nice. It's good getting out for a wee stroll. Didn't go to the beach today, Jordy, because the place will be packed out. And I just wanted to have a wee quiet walk. And just enjoy nature. And I hope everybody's keeping well. Just Carve Rob. Keeping good, bro. The rest of the troops, the carving community. A big shout out to everybody in the Carving Fusion World of Wood Carvers. Hope you're all keeping well. Everybody's enjoying their carving. Looks like a good spot here. Get a wee seat. Enjoy this sun. Just listen to the beautiful birds. I'll take you someday up the top, up the very top of the mountain. It's right away up there. Like I said before, this is called Carmoney Hill. It's in North Belfast. It's really good. I'll go up over this wee fence here. See what's over here. It doesn't look like I'm going to get anywhere here. Just a wee path. Take me through into the wilderness. Oh, it's all good. Well, just a wee update video. Thought I'd go for a wee walk in nature today, make a wee short video, let everybody know what's been happening, because I know I got a few messages and emails asking me was everything okay, but everything's okay, just been busy. Family stuff. And I should be back to record my videos soon. Really enjoy the carving. And say a big thank you to Jordy again, because it was Jordy that got me into the carving. Well, I got into carving, it was Jordy that I learned how to carve from watching his videos on Carve Fusion, so all good. So, it's a nice wee day in the nature there, folks. Big shout out from Bap here, I Can Carve. Big shout out to everybody on Instagram. Thanks very much for all the comments and all the support and stuff. Big shout outs to Jordy, Carve Fusion. My bro. Thank you for everything, mate. Just Carve Rob. Chris. The Reaper, I call you. The 49 Reaper. Well, a bit more on Instagram. Flip so many. Cleve. David at Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. Give you a wee shout out too, bro. Thanks for all the support, mate. Build Dad Build. You're a good man too, mate. Good inspiration to get from you. Who else have we got? So many. Anyway, always take care. Keep up the good work. And thanks very much for all the support and stuff. Really do appreciate it. I'm just going to head off now. Make my way back down. We'll see how it go. Spend some time up the wee mountain. It's beautiful. No one around but me. I was going to take us to the wee quarry there. When I went in, there was a wee old man up and he was up picking litter and stuff, so I thought, nah, I'll not go in. I don't want to intimidate him. Me with my wee face mask and stuff on, so because it's actually fiddling freezing that day. So that's me. I'm gonna go. Just want to say thank you to everybody. Everybody keep up the good work. Keep on carving. That's pretty much it. I'm planning over the next couple of months here, I'm going to start to maybe make my own knives. Carving knives and stuff. See what else we can do. I've recently just done my first couple of portrait carvings. Really enjoyed it. And that's me just now. It's my first year at the carving, so I'm enjoying it. It's really good. It's good for anxiety. So take care, everybody. Keep on carving. Just stay good. As Jordy says, live your life. I'm going to try and climb over this without breaking my neck, because it's old moss and it's slippy, it's stinking, and the last thing I want is to go down on my arse on the way down the mountain. So, okay folks, that's us. Here's potential carving. Some carving stuff here, just bring a saw. It's looking good. Whole tree down in there. There's another one over here. You can see. So it's all good, folks. I'm gonna go, because that's about 10 minutes now for the video. I don't want to spend 5 hours a night sitting waiting on YouTube uploading it. So like I say, everybody take care. Keep up the good work.